Hello guys, welcome back to Code 4. Today in this video, we'll be solving a problem using Python. And the problem that we're going to solve in this video is a palindrome checker. So when a string is inputted by the user, we have to check whether the string is a palindrome or not. So first, for those who doesn't know what a palindrome is, I'll just let you know briefly. So palindrome is basically a word that when reversed still resembles the original word. Like say madam, M-A-D-A-M, and if we reverse it, it still comes as M-A-D-A-M, which is madam. So that is what a palindrome is, and we'll be checking whether the inputted word by the user is a palindrome or not. And we'll be doing that using Python. And I'll just show you how to do it. So first we have to get the input from the user, and I'll just use a variable called user input to store the input. And to input something from the user, you can use the input thing and input function. And then, so to check whether a string is a palindrome, the best way to do is would be to reverse the string and then check they both are equal or not. So to reverse a string, there is a easier way to do it. So let's just say reverse input is equal to user input. Then you open it with a square bracket and use two semicolons and a negative one. And I can just show you the reverse string, like say re- reverse input. Oh, maybe I made a spelling mistake here. Yes, REVRSED. Yes. So let me just run all of these and let me say hi. It returns yeah. So which is basically the reverse of this. So yes, now we know how to reverse the inputted value. So now we need to check whether this reversed input and the user input is the same, and we can use it and we can do it using the conditional statement. If user, oh my god, no. If user input is equal to, and to check whether both are equal, you need to use a double equal to. So user double equal to reversed input. Then we have to print, let's print true, else we can print false. Okay, I'll just run all of these now. So let's give an example in the like first one, madam. Madam is given, it says true, so madam is a palindrome. And let's take race car as an example. Race car. I should run these both too. So yes, it is also true. Now let's give an example that is not a palindrome. Let's take Python itself. Python. Python. Let's run both of these, and it gives false. So that's what we have done, a palindrome checker using Python. Hope this video helped you. Hope you have learned something out of this. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned to see more videos. Thank you.